So the following post is just about me removing the centre section of my Slotcar track. So it's the start of the project. It's part one. I hope you enjoy it. It's just a very quick post, and you know, if you just want to see me taking apart my centre section, well then go for it. I try to make it interesting. How interesting can you make somebody pulling a track apart? But bear with me. I suppose you want to see how I done it. You notice I didn't glue my grass down. The grass was fixed. I don't glue anything down because there's always the fact that you might want to take stuff up. You might want to move stuff. So generally most of my stuff is either screwed down or just placed. It's not glued. And that's why I don't use glue. Watch the post, enjoy the post. Give me a subscription if you're not subscribed to me already. It costs nothing and I really appreciate it. Any comments and the usual banter is always welcome. Enjoy, folks. Here we go. So it's time to start doing this, taking this apart. So let's get stuck in and we'll see how it all goes. This taking apart Slotcar track can be incredibly quick or slow, depending on clips. I don't even need to speed up the video because it is fast. Okay. Yes, I know. That's a very small screwdriver, isn't it? Somewhere here I'm wondering, why do we persist with this little screwdriver? Why don't I go to the garage and get my Pt1 electric screwdriver? Maybe I'll try a bigger screwdriver. Let's see if this one works for me better. noticed at this stage Harry had made the wise choice to go to his garage and actually get his electric screwdriver. And while in the garage, also made the wise choice of bringing in some other tools, like hammers and chisels. Life is so much easier with an electric screwdriver. Okay guys, so we have this centerpiece out. Yeah. So now we can start working. Let me flick you around. Okay. So now I can start working on bringing these boards in. Bringing this one into about here. Bringing this one in just about here. I'm going to leave a gap about, I don't know, about 18 inches between to get down to this end, and I will have a piece going across here. So that's today. So I'm happy enough with today. We got the main center section out. We have a big mess. That's all part of the fun of the project. This is it. Stage 1 complete.